Give you a dragon's eye view without all the chafing things.
Oh! Woo! 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 Woo!
Nice, the reticle nest. Yeah, this would be a great place to stop, you know. Stretch your legs, smell the morning sulfur, take in the shrapnel. So refreshing.
You go backwards? Oh,
Yeah.
All joking aside, you really can't be here.
Oh, uh-oh.
Oh, not good.
Oh, no.
Your flying was very impressive, and I've flown with a lot of dragons. Anytime you want to head out into the skies over Burke, you just stop by. We'll be glad to fly with you again, won't we, Toothy?